Hello everyone, in this video, I have prepared for you a selection of the top haircuts of the outgoing 2025. Here are short and medium options that will be relevant in the 2025 to 2026 seasons and will suit different face shapes and hair types. List of haircuts. Pixie, ultra short or slightly elongated versions, with textured styling, ideal for expressive facial features and require minimal care. Pixie Shaggy, a layered texture in the style of Shaggy on Pixie, adding volume and movement. Looks great on straight and wavy hair. Shaggy, multi-layered ragged texture along the entire length, creates a dynamic and modern look with a natural flair. A variant with an elongated crown and layers on the temples. Bob, classic radically updated bob of various lengths, up to the chin, just below the chin or along the collarbone. Clean lines, conciseness and style. Square, an elongated or shortened square of medium length, with soft edges and the possibility of experimenting with cutting angles for different face shapes. Pixie Bob, a hybrid combination of pixie and bob, short on the sides and with a longer top, creates contrast and allows you to play with styling. The key features of each option are pixie and pixie neck. They emphasize facial features, require careful texture and care for the tips. Bob and square, as versatile as possible, suitable for most face shapes. You can experiment with square edges and long bangs. Pixie Bob, a balance between minimalism and expressiveness, suitable for both office and casual wear. Enjoy watching it. Subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Good luck with the upcoming new year.